I'm still layering the phyllo dough, and I'm ready for my second set, if you will, of the cinnamon sugar pecan mixture. You're just going to keep doing this, layering the phyllo dough sheets with this mixture until you get the desired thickness, or you run out of one or both, whichever one comes first. So you just keep doing this. And I continue to do just the 5 sheets of the phyllo dough at a time. This is meant to be a very flaky dessert pastry. It's not light, if you will, but it is supposed to be flaky. So you don't want the phyllo dough to be too many layers, because that will make it not quite as flaky. Drop a few more drops of the melted butter like last time. That's good. Again, I don't think that's really a technical step. Just for my own peace of mind, I made that up and threw it in there. You'll remember earlier when I had trouble separating the phyllo sheets, I actually just took those couple sheets that were sticking together, moved them aside, and there were some sheets underneath there that were perfect. So you just kind of work with it, find the sheets that are manageable, the ones you can handle easily. These are perfect. All right, back to the phyllo and brushing with butter. You may need to hold it down just a little bit. The phyllo sheet down, that is. You know, we are using quite a bit of butter in this. When you brush it on, you don't want to, it doesn't need to be runny or soupy. You don't want it to be so much butter that, you know, it just kills you with richness. It is a rich dish. It's fantastically rich, and I love that about it. But, you know, since we are using butter between every single layer of the phyllo dough, you don't need to use so much between each layer. Just brush it thinly on. Again, this is just enough to make the phyllo sheets stick together so they don't dry out. But you don't have to pour it on.